me get some go-go. No! No!
Oh no.
No!
Oh no.
It's gone! It's all gone! Matt Chapman! Call me. I need you. There's not even blue ones! Ah, let me go check the reserve stash. Jackpot! I got one!
Ray's Jeep's been stocked for quite a while. I mean, we took it up to Alaska and ran it there. It just had tires basically and wheels, and now it's getting a complete overhaul. Like, it's not going to be anywhere close to what it was. It's probably going to be like our biggest Jeep that we have, right?
Yes, definitely is. Biggest axles, biggest tires. It's getting 20-inch wheels. Big steering, big everything. I don't know how these tires are going to fit, but we're going to make them.
Are you worried about only having 2.5 weeks to get this thing done?
Not at all. This thing is gonna slap right together. I can just feel it.
Dang, so you already got PSC installed in here?
Yes, the power steering is 99% in. I still need to hang the ram lines, and obviously that's gonna go on once I get the front end in. Yeah, it's got the big kit. The pump, new reservoir, filler, big box, big lines, big everything for big tires, and big old axles. This thing's gonna be big. It's alive!
Oh man, dude, huge upgrade. Look at these. Woo!
What the hell was that? Seems legit. It's going. It's going in. Power steering's done. Front's put back together. It's time for reassembly. We're done with teardown. There's nothing else coming off. Yeah, let's build a cool Jeep, boys!
Dude, you actually have a list this time.
Yeah! Yeah, Casey made me. It's the only reason I have to do it.
The world today looks to its healthcare heroes for hope. You can become
I love my ADD.
University.
Ah! Ah! Oof. Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Oh, no. 1001. 1000. Oh, are you ready? Slide it into its home. He's going very nice. We're bolting on the rear bumper. Finally! 45 hours later, she's going on. Gonna knock this build out of the park, baby. We are day 2 of Ray's Jeep build. Axles are painted. We have the front basically ready to assemble. Rear is going together now. We're gonna hang the drive shafts, hang the shocks, hang the arms, get everything on the chassis side of it, and then slide the rear end in, hang it, and then we start adjustment immediately afterwards.
Why are we doing the rear first?
We've changed the plan. So originally, I had everything ready to put the front together, but I have no weight back here. And I thought if I hang the front, we're just gonna Eddie Endo off the lift, and Ray's gonna be mad, dude, when his Jeep fell off. So I said, no, we're gonna hang the rear end. Look at that thing. It's freaking huge.
Casey went a little massive on this one. So
Yeah.
these tubes are normally about like 3-inch normally. I think he went to 4.
Big.
So
Very big tubes on this one. Yeah, other than that, standard lift we do on everything. All the Currie equipment, the rock jock stuff, it's all going on here. We got these cool new aluminum rock jock arms that we're gonna be running with the Jonny joint. Yeah, other than that, she gets assembled today.
while Johnny's tightening that, if you want a full breakdown on the Spicer JT Driveshaft, give the link in our bio a click in case he does a full breakdown on why you should be running this thing in your Jeep truck.
Plug and play performance. Torque time. See, we're actually not going to get hung up because if you notice, we mount these in a way to where you can still grease your fittings, but now your fittings are not dragging if you decide you want to drag your Jeep over something. Top ones are fine, we can aim those down, but the bottom ones need to aim the Zerk fitting up. See that little nipple? That's how much more clearance you get. Sick. Now you can really rip it. Anyway. Box shocks installed. All bolts stay loose until we have the car on the ground under its own weight. Then we tighten everything. Everything's mounted by a bushing. Jonny joint, same setup. We want to sit at ride height. Torque everything at ride height for an optimal ride.
We're just making sure that all our angles are right, so when we cycle it, there's no bind. So go through some processes to make sure all the suspension is neutralized so that we get max articulation.
Ooh, look at these.
All right, we're on day 3 of the build, and Moab is in less than 3 days. 3 days we have to have this thing loaded up, ready to go. How you feeling?
Good. Rear end's done. Go to the front, hang that bad boy, hook up some stuff, load it. Done.
What are the last couple things you're doing on this backside right now?
Put this where it needs to go, tighten some lights down, run some zip ties up in here, make sure everything's torqued, and put the tires on it.
All right, so we basically just wrapped up on the rear end, and thing is dialed. So doing the giant Currie 70, biggest rear end we've built for a JT. It's got 4-inch tubes. Things are massive. And keeping that thing all together, we got rock crawler springs, Fox 3.0 shocks, rock jock control arms with their bump stop pad, as well as sway bar. Threw in the Spicer drive shaft, then you work your way back, ADD rear bumper with the Baja designs built into it. Looking good. So this is going to wrap up episode 1 of Ray's Jeep build. We're going to move on to the front end for episode 2.
Thank you for watching. Now, comment below, tell us what you like, tell us what you don't like. Subscribe right here, watch more videos here. Thank you guys.